Do you ever wondered what women really want you to do in bed? It's not just about what you think or what you've heard before. Women desire things that can take your connection to the next level, but many guys don't know what these things are. In this video, we're going to reveal 5 important things that women want you to do in bed. These tips will help you become a better lover and make her want to be with you even more. Number 1. Take your time. The first thing women want is for you to take your time. Don't be in a hurry to get to the main event. Women enjoy the journey, not just the destination. Start by touching her gently, kissing her slowly, and building up the excitement. Take time to explore her body and make her feel special. The more you make her feel comfortable and connected, the more she will enjoy the experience. Rushing makes it feel like you only care about finishing, not about her pleasure. Number 2. Pay attention to her body. The second thing women want is for you to pay attention to their body. Women give many signals through their body language. If she moves closer to you, or if she makes soft sounds, that means she's enjoying what you're doing. But if she pulls away or doesn't respond much, that might be a sign that she's not into it. You don't need to guess, just stay alert to how her body reacts. Every woman is different, so learning her unique signals is key. Number 3. Communicate clearly. The third thing is communication. Women want you to talk to them during sex, but you don't have to say anything complicated. Simple words work best. You can ask her what she likes or let her know how good she makes you feel. For example, you can ask, "Does this feel good?" or say, "You feel amazing." This will help her feel closer to you and make her more comfortable in sharing what she enjoys. Clear communication can take your relationship to the next level. Number 4. Be gentle, but also passionate. Number 4 is a mix of being gentle and passionate. Women like a balance between soft, gentle touches and more passionate movements. Start gently, so she feels relaxed and safe. Slowly increase the intensity to show your excitement and passion for her. This balance makes her feel desired and respected at the same time. If you're too rough too soon, she might feel uncomfortable. If you're too soft the whole time, she might not feel excited. The key is finding that perfect middle ground. Number 5. Focus on her needs, not just yours. The fifth and most important thing is to focus on her needs. Women don't want to feel like their pleasure is less important than yours. Make sure you take time to understand what she enjoys, and don't be selfish. A woman will appreciate it when you put effort into making sure she is satisfied. When she sees that you care about her pleasure, she'll feel closer to you, and the experience will be better for both of you. A good lover always makes sure his partner feels just as good. These are the 5 things women really want you to do in bed. Remember to take your time, pay attention to her body, communicate clearly, be both gentle and passionate, and focus on her pleasure. When you do these things, you'll build a stronger connection, and she'll love being with you even more. If this video is helpful for you, please subscribe to our channel for more advices. See you in the next video.